Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from latestly.
Deep depression over West Central and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal near latitude 15.6 degree north and longitude 88.4 degree east, and it is very likely to move northwestwards during next 12 hours and intensify into a cyclonic storm over Central Bay of Bengal. Thereafter, it will recurve and move northeastwards and cross Bangladesh coast between Tinkona Island and Sandeep close to Barisal around 25th of October early morning. So you can see that we are having here deep depression, and the trough runs from this sites are associated with the deep depression to Comoran area across parts of Bay of Bengal, and the western disturbance that is trough in westerly runs roughly 82 degrees east and 20 degree north as regards West Bengal. So light to moderate rainfall is expected at a few places with isolated heavy rainfall over coastal districts that is south and north 24 Parganas and east and adjoining East Medinipur of West Bengal on 23rd, that is today, and light to moderate rainfall at most places with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over coastal districts of West Bengal, that is south and north Parganas, east and adjoining West Medinipur on 24th of October, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected at isolated places over coastal districts, that is south and north 24 Parganas and Nadia of West Bengal on 25th of October. So overall we can say that rainfall warning is issued for West Bengal as already mentioned during the period of 23rd to 25th of October. And now go to the rainfall warning for northeast states. So this is light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places is likely over North Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, and heavy to extremely heavy rainfall is likely over South Assam, East Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura on 24th of October, and light to moderate rainfall at most places with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over the same region on 25th of October, and isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Northeast Assam and Nagaland on 26th.